Hi guys, today we will have a look at the Minolta 3000 camera I am taking apart also. So it is a little easier to take apart because there are more interconnects you can disassemble between the flex PCBs. As you can see, it is pretty much simpler. Not a lot of stuff in this one, at least in the top. And the way it is built is quite different from the 500 model Dynax. So you can see this front part is in die cast. So it seems nicer at this point of view, and the whole thing just lift off. Here is the body, you have nothing left almost, except the spool motor here, and you can see there is a metal insert, buzzer here, or piezoelectric speaker probably. So it is interesting to see that everything comes on the mirror box, including the shutter. You can see this flex PCB is completely embedded in this part. Not sure how it will get out of this. So you have a shutter here, prism, and otherwise at the bottom the autofocus sensor, lens motor here. So I will remove this shutter. Should be quite easy, just 2 screws. Yes. Then you can see the rear of the mirror box. The mirror is flip up at this time. Here it is in normal position. There is a sub mirror here, redirecting the image to the 2 sensors. There is a light sensor, light level sensor, and for a TTL measurement, and autofocus one. So you can see there is one little chip here, and one main bigger chip here from Hitachi, I believe it is. Mitsubishi. So this seems to be one more interconnect in the flex PCB, but it is quite difficult to remove. The screws are very tight here. I will need to get something beefier. So here we are. You can see the autofocus sensor is attached with Allen screws. And there are some springs for fine setting of the thing. So all this is in die cast, quite nice. There is something here at the top, I'm not sure if it is one more, and a little surprise PCB below the main flex assembly. Quite neat. This must be the viewfinder LED display interconnect. I will remove the prism. So quite a beefy metal plate here, very strong, and so this is very light because in fact this prism on the Minolta cameras are empty. They are boxes of mirrors. They are not glass, a massive block of glass prism. So you can see it if I manage to remove this piece of focusing screen, and you can see in fact it is an empty box with optical mirrors, and the optical mirrors are made on plastic parts, so it is very light. So here, yes, we have a small show how it will come off, very small PCB with LEDs probably. So I will go to it later. The shutter assembly is made by Copal, as always. It is a very famous Japanese brand of shutters. You can see always the same thing, two coils, two springy mechanism to move the thing like this. So it should be something I can try to hack with an Arduino, something like this. Okay, so not sure about this part, except that it is very well screwed down by this screw. So thanks for watching, bye bye.